Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to install Lenovo ThinkPad Docking Station, easy setup, driver install and display configuration. Step 1. Connect to power. First plug the dock's AC power adapter into an active electrical outlet and then connect the other end securely into the dock's designated power port. Step 2. Link to laptop. Now use the original USB-C or Thunderbolt cable to link the docking station directly to your ThinkPad. The dock will supply power to your laptop through this connection. Step 3. Attach the peripherals. Now plug in your external accessories such as your keyboard, mouse, printer and monitors directly into the corresponding ports on the back or sides of the dock. Step 4. Install drivers and firmware. While the dock is usually plug and play, you should download and install the official drivers to ensure proper function of the dock's Ethernet, audio, and video ports. You can find your specific dock model on Lenovo support. Step 5. Update and configure. Download and open Lenovo Vantage on your ThinkPad to automatically push necessary firmware updates, configure connected devices, and optimize dock performance. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.